I was just talking about the fire from Canada, and recently my my phone here, not my phone, my mic was saying singing or something and causing a problem. So I just wanted to talk to all of you about fire. And this is in Canada, there's having a problem with their forest. And so that is causing, for our side, for the for the smoke, and it's really causing a breathing issue for many of us. So especially me. so so this is something, just a point of fire to taken into ideas that if there is a fire out of your home, then you got to figure out what's going on and what you need for you, for your family, to make sure you're going to be safe. Or leave if you need to leave, because sometimes uh, fires can be uh, near you, near your home, and you need to leave to stay safe. So, because you can't fix something, you can't fix the forest, you can't fix, something that happened in a train or in airplane. You can't fix that. So, unless you are part of, that you can help with people with the fire, XYZ fire. But for you need to stay safe and figure out what you're going to do in your home to stay safe. If you need to leave or you need to stay, like for us here right now, we've had to stay inside because of the of the fire outside from Canada, which is pretty near from where I live. So it's that kind of it's that kind of fire that you need to think about for if it happens near your home. So in my case, I had to stay close at home because it was hitting me from my breathing, with all that. So the point was 644 points that were explaining how the fire points were, the smoking was 644 points on our side, and it's supposed to stay around 200 or less. We were just like, so it's those kind of things that you you have to keep in mind. What is the fire? Where is the fire? What's going on? How is it going to help? What is not going to help for you and your family? So consider these things when you're trying to work on those things. So if you have some ideas or you have some concerns or you have some uh, points that you need to add when you are thinking about outside fires that might concern cons- be a concern for you, for your family. So you really have to think about, in my situation that's going on with the fire out in Canada. We have to stay inside and not go outside unless if we really have to go out, then we put a mask on so that we can breathe. So, it's those kind of ideas that you need to have when you are leaving to stay safe because of a fire. So I just wanted to share that. Oh, I need to turn off my my wheelchair. So those are the kind of ideas that are part of the fires. Unfortunately, it's unfortunate and it is very scary sometimes if there's a fire nearby. So think about all of that and what is part of your day that you need to keep something safe. All right. Well, put in your ideas and what you think that's going to work for you and keeping you safe in terms of outside of your home when it has happened about fires. All right. Take care, and I hope to see you all very soon.